In this video, we are going to remove stop words using NLTK in Python. Stop words are the words that do not contain an essential meaning and are usually removed from texts. They are the words that are filtered out before or after processing natural language data. The examples of the stop words include the, and so on. Now let's get straight into our solution. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we want to spam filtering or remove stop words. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result as it matches our query. Now this use requires NLTK library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code before proceeding. This line of the code is to import the NLTK library. This part of the code is to create mock array of data. And this part of the code is to tokenize the words. Now let's run the code. And you have stop words removed from your script. You can find many more code snippets for your requirements on kandi. The link to the kandi is in the description. Thank you for watching this tutorial and follow us to get more tutorials.